Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2003 CR250. It's got the 2025 Honda plastic, throttle jockey graphics. I'm going to show y'all some tips and tricks on how to update your old Honda two-strokes. So let's get into it. We have the 2025 HRC throttle jockey graphics installed on the 25 plastic. I had to open up a couple holes. That hole's opened up. That hole's opened up to get it to sit flush with the airbox. So here's all the tools that I used to install the 2025 on the TX race kit. You're going to cut off the mounts on the back side. That's how it looks when you cut them off. Because what it does, this is hitting the airbox. So you got to take this off or else your plastics will be ballooning out. So the hacksaw does a good job. And then on some of the red plastic, just a razor blade, here's some of the pieces that I ended up cutting off to get everything to lay down properly. There's a couple little tabs, a couple little mounts that you're going to need to cut off. Then the Allen screws are just for taking the plastic on and off. And this one's for the seat, this one's for the side panels. And I did have to put a couple zip ties underneath the seat, because the 2025 has a wider seat than the 2024. So the seat on my bike is still a 2024 model. So I had to use the zip ties to bring the plastic in. So as you can see here, we got a gap here. So this shroud needs to go up so this will flatten out. So we're gonna raise all this up. So I took these two brackets off. They go here. So I need this radiator shroud up here. So I'm going to open this hole up about 1/4 inch. So we got this hole opened up here. So that ought to raise the shrouds up about 1/4 inch. It's bolt there. I had to take these off because it was hitting on the tank. So there is a little bit of massaging and trimming that needs to be done. But I'm just going to trim. So this is the left side radiator shroud, just to help out with the clearance. It didn't have to be done, but it was putting a little bit of pressure at the top when I was bending it. This should sit a little bit higher. And all this is doing is making this gap smaller here. So you raise the front of this up to get rid of that gap. I put this on top of the rubber strap now instead of underneath it, and it helped raise it up to align those holes. So I'm going to try that and put the seat on. Now we're looking at this area right there. So that one lines up pretty good. All this work to make this 2025 plastic fit on a 2003. So I came up with an idea. Had some fuel hose. So I'm going to use that as a spacer to space that up just a little bit. You run this through. Then you got to put a flat washer on this side so it doesn't come back through the red plastic. And then you go with your spacer hose. And you can use whatever you got. Fuel hose is a little bit stiff, so it makes a pretty good spacer. The next piece I'll talk to y'all about is this hole here. This hole has to be opened up. This piece was on the back side. And for the TX race kit, it has the gray plastic that comes down here. So this is sticking out and it balloons this way out here. So just take your hacksaw blade and cut that off. The other piece I'm going to be updating, I want it to look a little bit more like a factory bike. A little touch of red here and there is fine, but I think I like that better. Shout out to those that are still around to the end of this video. But hopefully this helped y'all understand how to update these old Honda two-strokes. Keep these things alive and kicking for a long time to come. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one.